Dark motivational videos with animals are exploding right now. Wolves, lions, eagles, deep voice, cold quotes, cinematic music, and some pages are gaining thousands of followers every week. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create your own dark motivational animal videos, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's build your dark empire. Before you start editing, you need a strong concept. Dark motivation is about dominance, silence, pain, survival, and power. First, pick an animal and understand what it represents. A wolf represents the lone mindset. A lion represents leadership and dominance. An eagle represents vision and rising above weakness. A tiger represents silent focus and controlled aggression. Next, choose a theme for your video. It could be discipline, betrayal, isolation, revenge, silent success, or outworking everyone. You can get inspiration from alpha mindset content, stoic philosophy, gym motivation pages, or survival documentaries. Don't just write quotes. Create statements that feel dangerous. Now open ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. Act as a professional speechwriter for cinematic YouTube videos. Create 10 original quotes using a wolf metaphor to represent discipline and mental toughness. Each quote must be 4 to 5 lines, use strong imagery, avoid common motivational cliches, and sound like it belongs in a dark, epic trailer. End with a powerful final line and another line in relation to human. Now we have our quotes. Now let's talk about voiceover. The voice is what makes the video powerful. You can use tools like ElevenLabs, or you can record your own voice. Go back to ChatGPT, pick the quotes that you want. Head over to ElevenLabs, create account. Paste the quote you copied from ChatGPT. To keep things interesting, we need to adjust the quotes, add extra sentence at the end of the quote. At least the quote will sound more motivating and inspiring. Pick the voice that is deep and calm. For example, I will choose Adam because the voice fit in this kind of videos. Now click Generate and download the voiceover. Now let's hear how it sounds.
A wounded wolf does not advertise its pain. It limps through shadows until strength returns. No sympathy in the wild, no rescue in the dark, only grit stitched into flesh and bone. Endurance is silent, but it devours doubt. And the human who heals in silence rises untouchable.
For background videos, use free stock websites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Mixkit. And the cool part is, the videos are free copyright. You can search for terms like wolf running slow motion, lion roaring cinematic, eagle flying 4K, or tiger in rain slow motion. The best clips are slow motion, dark lighting, rain scenes, close-up eyes, walking shots, and hunting scenes. Download the clips that you are comfortable with. Always match your strongest quote with the most powerful visual moment in the clip. For editing, beginner-friendly apps like CapCut, VN Editor, or InShot work perfectly. Start by adding dark cinematic music. For the music, always choose the treading onces. You can find them on YouTube Audio Library or copy from a treading video on Instagram and TikTok. Always avoid copyrighted onces. Then add your voiceover. Remove the silent parts. Place your animal clips and align them with the words. Cut the clips from 3 to 5 seconds to keep the viewers attached to the video. And change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Now let's add the dark theme. Select the clip, go to Adjustment, and change the settings as I am doing. I will leave the settings in the description box. Do that to all clips you have on timeline. Add fog effect and add left transition. Add animation to the clips. Feel free to add what you like. Now let's add caption. Head over to text and select auto caption and generate the caption. Head over to animation and select the pop-up effects. Change the fonts that you like. Feel free to scroll. Now add the music you have downloaded. Then export the video. And here are the results. Before you watch the clip, make sure to subscribe on my other channel if you like such content.
A wounded wolf does not advertise its pain. It limps through shadows until strength returns. No sympathy in the wild, no rescue in the dark. Only grit stitched into flesh and bone. Endurance is silent, but it devours doubt. And the human who heals in silence rises untouchable.
Dark motivation isn't about being loud. It's about being dangerous in silence. Now you know how to create powerful animal motivational videos. If this helped you, subscribe and start building your own dark brand today. Be the predator, not the prey.